During a furnace tune-up, the first thing I do is check the temperature drop. So I check the supply temperature and then the return temperature. Then after that, I make sure the filter's good. Make sure they're changing their filter regularly, at least check it once a month. Maybe change it every 3 months depending on the size of their filter and how dirty their ductwork is. And then I basically check all the mechanical stuff inside the furnace, so I'll take the doors off. I will check the blower, check the inducer motor, make sure that those are running properly and they have the right amount of amps running through them. Then after I'm done with that, I will shut the furnace off. I'll check the flame sensor, the igniter, make sure that's working, make sure it's not, you know, too corroded with anything. I'd like to make sure that the equipment is nice and clean. Then I look and see if there are anything that the customer could use, any options that they could benefit from, like a UV light, a duct cleaning, a humidifier, things like that that they don't have that they could definitely use, and then I present options.